If I say I'm playing this scene with a sound like this, that seems wrong. Yes, because that sound effect, or more precisely, that codified sound effect actually comes from Ultraman.
Alright!
This is a clip from Ultraman Rising 2024. Yes, this video will be quite different from the previous video I uploaded, which focused on scene establishment with Kisho Tenketsu technique. Of course, since that anime had a comedy genre. But in Ultraman Rising, this feels more profound in terms of connection and relationships. Because if we talk about Tokusatsu, this isn't a live-action show. Instead, an animated version of Ultraman. Without any sound effects, the footage starts with a prologue and an expository montage that briefly explains about Ultraman as the intro of the movie. And what's interesting is that they start the story using the sonic association cut with symbolic sound effects like this. So the connection from the entire prologue to the main scene happens thanks to the symbolic sound effect of Ultraman's beeping, which fades while showing an Ultraman action figure. By using the action figure as the opening element, this creates a strong emotional cue that feels deeply nostalgic for those who grew up watching Ultraman. Well, if I say I'm playing this scene with a sound like this, that seems wrong. Yes, because that sound effect, or more precisely, that codified sound effect actually comes from Ultraman. Codified sound effects is a term used in cinematography and sound production. It refers to iconic sounds that allow you and fans to instantly recognize the character or source of the sound. For example, this following sound effects. You don't need to see the image, but you can already guess that it's the sound of a monster Godzilla, especially since we're talking about Ultraman. And that's what's called codified sound effects. Even in this scene, it's truly fascinating. With the low-angle hero shot technique, when chaos appears in the frame, it makes the scene becomes even more emotional because this angle allows us to experience the main character's feeling. But the iconic and symbolic codified sound effects are very prominent in Ultraman Rising, as it's bringing back the nostalgia of Ultraman in a fresh way. Because stunning effects and masterclass cinematography techniques make every scene exciting to watch. So, are there any techniques that you could apply to your content? I hope this video is useful. Thank you for watching.